Even after all of this testing, depending upon the environments that the camera is exposed to, it may need a little upkeep throughout the life of the camera. We are now going to cover the user-level maintenance. To service the camera beyond these steps, please contact your local Scott Thermal Imaging Service Center. Bumper replacement is easy. The bumpers are available in multiple colors, and for a complete list of available colors, please contact your Scott Thermal Imaging distributor. Simply peel off the bumpers that require replacement. For the lens bumper, find the text stating top and orient this side of the bumper on top of the lens and press until fully seated onto the housing. The glare shield replacement is quick and easy. First, slide on the top of the glare shield and work around the perimeter until the gasket is fully engaged and press until fully seated. For the battery bumper, first locate the charging contacts and the contact access extrusion on the bumper. Then install the battery into the opening of the bumper and gently work the battery into the bumper until fully installed. Verify the proper positioning of the mounting hinge and the charging contacts. If you should have a camera with a damaged germanium lens, remove any loose shards of germanium. Take care, this can be as sharp as glass. Remove the lens bumper to gain access to the 6 screws that secure the lens in place. Carefully remove any loose shards and be careful not to touch the shutter mechanism. If the shutter mechanism is damaged, the camera will require service from a Scott Authorized Thermal Imaging Service Center. Once the germanium lens and any loose particles have been removed, clean the gasket seating surface and install the gasket and lens like so. Next, ensure the screw holes are properly aligned and thread the screws into place. All 6 screws should be installed and then tightened in an alternating fashion, tightening each screw to 6 to 8 inch-pounds of torque. Other basic replacements can be completed, such as the battery mounting hinge, camera hinge, and battery mounting screw using basic hand tools. A complete set of instructions and warnings may be found in the instructions that came with your Eagle Attack Thermal Imager. Thank you for your time and have a safe day. This video has been produced by Scott Safety to familiarize you with your new Scott product. Remember to follow your department's procedures when operating, inspecting, or cleaning any Scott Safety product. Should you have any questions about this or any other Scott Safety product, please contact your Scott Regional Manager, Field Service Specialist, or Scott's Technical Support Group at 800-247-7257. Thank you and have a safe day.